Dumont Chemicals, the industry leader for architectural, industrial, and marine solutions. Peel Away ST1 Steel Structure Paint Remover is an innovative, self-sealing industrial paint remover specifically formulated for the safe removal of old industrial coatings, particularly lead-based and organic coatings, from steel and metal substrates, such as storage tanks, structural steel and pipelines, and is the optimal product for bridge restoration and demolition, safely removing 30 coats of paint in a single application. Every steel structure has its own unique coatings history and job site challenges to remove a vast range of high-performance coatings. Peel Away ST1 provides end users with an efficient solution in a user-friendly, cost-effective, and environmentally responsible manner. There are more than 17,000 steel highway bridges, most coated with lead-based paint throughout New York State. This video exhibits the innovative method combining the efficacy of Peel Away ST1 and ice blasting to keep lead-based paint in a wet state, eliminating the hazard of lead dust and particles while minimizing wastewater. The two bridges shown are painted with an industrial coating system that include a lead-based primer, epoxy intermediate coat, and urethane top coats, which have a lead content in excess of 400,000 parts per million. A containment system including ground cover and side screens is erected as per New York State's Class B standards. Peel Away ST1 is the safe alternative to traditional lead removal methods such as harsh chemicals, sanding, scraping, grinding, and blasting techniques. Modified air spray equipment is used to apply the alkaline paste to the old coating system in excess of 60 mils. Peel Away ST1 easily adheres to vertical and horizontal surfaces without dripping. Industrial contractors simply spray apply a 1,000 square foot area in less than 2 hours. Peel Away ST1 is a self-sealing paste that remains wet throughout the removal process, keeping lead-based paint in a wet state, eliminating the hazards of lead dust and particles. On-site air monitoring is conducted at every stage. The highest personal monitor reading within the containment area is 175 micrograms per cubic meter. Outside the containment area, air monitoring for lead dust indicates non-detectable levels throughout the life of the project. After the appropriate dwell time, the wet paste and liquefied paint is effortlessly scraped away, with residue falling to the ground cover below, where it is easily shoveled into 55-gallon drums for proper disposal. About 500 square feet are scraped per hour. Peel Away ST1 is a water-based, zero VOC formulation with no harmful odors or fumes and removes up to 30 coats in one application, specifically developed to minimize environmental impact and exceed the most stringent regulatory requirements while delivering maximum performance. After safe removal of the old industrial coatings, a small amount of lead paint residue remains. Ice blasting, a unique process using ice crystals, effectively cleans the steel substrate with minimal residual waste. Blast pressure is set at 125 psi and uses only 24 gallons of water per hour. The ice particles remove the still wet residue from the steel substrate, then melt, minimizing wastewater and eliminating the hazard of lead dust and particles to reveal the bare steel. Once lead dust becomes airborne, it is extremely harmful for the individual performing this type of work and quickly contaminates the environment surrounding the project. A 1,000 square foot section is easily cleaned in less than 4 hours. Because of mist evaporation, less than 10 gallons of water per hour reaches the containment floor, where it is easily vacuumed and combined with the solid waste, keeping waste volume to an absolute minimum. This video demonstrates the efficacy of Peel Away ST1, a self-sealing paste that is easily troweled or spray applied. After the appropriate dwell time, the wet paste and liquefied paint is effortlessly scraped away. Then, simply clean the still wet residue from the steel or metal substrate with minimal water. Peel Away ST1 provides an average spread rate of 20 square feet per gallon, safely removing 30 coats of paint in a single application. Peel Away ST1 is the safe alternative to harsh chemicals, sanding, scraping, grinding, and blasting techniques. Peel Away ST1 is the optimal product for removing old industrial coating systems, particularly lead-based and organic coatings, from steel and metal substrates when maintaining global infrastructure. Dumont Chemicals Incorporated provides environmentally responsible solutions and quality products to safely remove unwanted coatings from an array of surfaces in a user-friendly and cost-effective manner. Visit www.dumontchemicals.com for more information or call 1-800-245-1191.